Hi, this is Rick Harward, Business Manager with Contec Inc. I'm here at Interphex 2021 here in New York City. I'm here with 6 of my very talented associates, ready to talk and explain a lot of the good things that we're doing as a company. One of which is our VAL, which is our Virtual Assisted Learning Platform, which allows someone from a virtual standpoint to go into a grade and identify within that grade opportunities for cleaning walls, floors, ceilings, isolators, and the challenges associated with that. Best practices are also associated there, as well as technical data sheets and information. One of the things that we've been doing here at Contec for several years now is providing CCAs, which are Contamination Control Assessments, where our technical services group go into a facility and assess, the manufacturing requirements and challenges, which are always unique and different for every customer, and make recommendations based upon best practices, products, and processes. In addition to that, we're also hosting on November the 4th our next virtual summit, Cleanovators. And in that we'll be talking about quality risk management, embracing new technology and aseptic processing, as well as mechanical action in cleaning and residue removal. Now, I know a lot of you guys may have been challenged with coming here to Interphex this year, and for that, what I want you to understand is that we have a team that is ready and available to provide you technical guidance and the challenges associated with your facility, whether it be our technical services group, our region managers, as well as our R&D group. So come see us, and if you can't, please check in Cleanovators.